Hello friends, welcome to the video number 10 for the Python 3 series. And well, this video is gonna be a continuation of the previous video because I just saw that I forgot to mention something. And well, if you didn't saw video number 9, please go back, see that video first, and then come back to this one. This is gonna be a pretty short video. Again, I just forgot to say something, but I think it's important. So in the previous video, we did this example for the string formatting, and if you remember, we were formatting this variable right here, and we said, okay, we want the percent to be expressed as a floating point number with 4 decimal numbers shown after the decimal point. And when we run this, this is what we got. And well, here are the 4 decimals. But well, what I forgot to mention is that here I am creating a new example, and basically what I'm doing is I am making an approximation of pi 3.1416, and I am making or elevating that to the power of I. If you remember, well, the I is gonna increase 1 on each cycle. I reduced the cycles to 33 in the previous video. We used 333, so I'm gonna do only 33. It's gonna be enough. So here I'm doing the string formatting as we saw it on the previous video, right? I am going to format power to be a decimal or a floating point to 3 decimals. That's it. If I save this and run it, well, I have here all the powers, but well, reading these big, very big numbers is kind of difficult, and it's much easier if we had the comma for the thousands separator. So how do we do that? And this is what I actually forgot to say in the previous video. It's pretty easy. Just here between the colon and the period, just put a comma right there. That's it. Just save this and run it, and then there we have it. The thousands separator. So here is much easier to read it, right? 3,000, 9,000, 9 million, 28 million, so on. So these commas, at least for me, makes it much easier to read. And well, again, that's it for this video. It was pretty short, but I just forgot to mention this on the previous one, and I think it's important. So well, there you have it. As always, I hope that you find this video useful. Thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And in the next video, we're gonna be talking about how to receive input from the user. And well, it's gonna be very good. So I hope to see you in the next one.